My first try at the junk nails, you guys. Stay tuned for my thoughts, but I am preparing a junk nail for you guys. Woohoo! Hey guys, so here are the Easter nails. I tried to do my first junk nails, you guys. I will tell you, it is an experience doing this. I definitely have to get some more practice on doing this. Let me turn my hands the other way. I thought I had, and I did have, like, there's a bunny rabbit there, a bow. Don't ask me what the fox is doing. Here's some candy, some bows. I thought that I had Easter stuff, but I did not. I only had these stickers, which y'all will see here. So definitely next year for Easter, I know that I have to get on the ball because I did not have any Easter stuff. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I will tell y'all that the one question that you guys always ask about nails, are they heavy? The junk nails are heavy. The thumbs are heavy. I decided to do the thumbs as my first one because my thumbs are my actual favorite nails. So that's why I did the thumbs in the junk nail. I also felt like the thumbs would be less to catch on to stuff because as you can see, a lot of the trinkets sit up on the nail. So I feel like the thumbs are something that doesn't catch on to too much stuff. So far, it's been 24 hours because when I finished these last night, I did not have time to record. Okay, I was tired. But so far, they haven't been catching on to anything. So yeah, and I'm kind of afraid to do the big trinkets. I don't know how people do the big charms because I feel like those big charms definitely will catch on to something and possibly snag or break your nails. So I don't know. And I use the glitter polish to kind of set it off. And let y'all see. Hold on. There you go. So you can really see the trinkets in that one. Like I said, I thought I had more Easter stuff, but I don't. So I used what I had. I used what I had for Easter. There's a piece of chocolate. Let's see if I can focus it in for y'all. But I did not have more Easter stuff. So yeah, we will figure that out. All right, and then these are the nails. So this is the one with the Easter stickers. I'll give y'all some flashback and see if y'all can see it. Let's see. I like the flash, but it drowns out the stickers. So hold on. All right, here is the Easter stickers that I had. There's a little chick. There is a chick coming out of an egg. This one says Happy Easter. I know it's kind of hard to see. Focus. Happy Easter. There's a Easter egg. There's another Easter egg. There's another chick right there. Hey y'all, how you doing? She's waving at you guys. Oh, I put my rabbit on upside down. There's a rabbit. Try to get him to focus, but I put him upside down. He's on there now. And then these are the other nails. I wanted to do one color on one hand and one color on the other hand. So that's what I did. So this is actually a lavender color. So I just did a plain lavender here with the phone. I'm sorry, with the stones. I did the chicken stickers here. And I didn't have that many stickers. And my nails are long. And I knew that I had to go in and do some other nails, the other hand. So, and then this one, I just did kind of the marble glitter effect. And then this one is just a holographic glitter color. So, and this is my left hand. You can see the stickers really good there. I put some stones around them. And I put some of that holographic polish on this one. There's a little bunny rabbit right there. All right, and let's go into the other hand. I really didn't know what to do for Easter because, like I said, I thought I had a lot more Easter stuff than this. I got to get my holidays right, y'all. Here is the next hand. This hand is like a lime yellow. So I'll turn the thing off first so you can see. It's like a lime yellow color. and we'll get into the designs. So I did the marble on the ring finger on this hand instead of the other finger. Y'all know I like to switch it up. This hand, I wanted to see if the stickers would show up better with the white polish. I'm still practicing, and y'all tell me what y'all think. Do you think the stickers show up better with the white polish or on a plain nail? Y'all let me know what y'all think. So here is the sticker with the white polish, and you can see all the little chickens, the Easter eggs, and that was 2 Easter baskets back here, and that was literally all the stickers that I had. Because I would have tricked out more nails with the stickers, but that was all the stickers that I had. I don't know. And I tore this place up looking for stickers. So, what's the next holiday? Easter. That's April. In May, we got... March, we don't have anything, right, y'all? March, I don't think we have anything. I'll probably play around for March. April, I'm going backwards. I don't even know what I'm doing. See, I gotta get it together. Y'all put it down below. Put it down below so I can order my stuff. This is March, and Easter came in March. Now, Easter normally comes in April, because my birthday is in April, and I know that Easter normally comes in April. So I guess the leap year pushed Easter up. So April, this will go into April, because I don't go back to her until like April 7th. So Easter will be over when I go back, but then I can do my birthday nails. May, Memorial Day. I don't know what I'll do. I'll see if they have some Memorial Day stuff, or I'll just do like, I don't care for red too much, but I'll figure something out. Juneteenth. I really don't know what to do for Juneteenth. I see some people do Juneteenth nails. I'm gonna check out some pictures and stuff, but y'all know your girl ain't that talented now. With all that drawing and art and stuff. Look how they're curving. I can't even put my nails up like that. So Juneteenth, and then July, of course, the 4th of July. I'm pretty sure I can find all kinds of stickers and stuff for that. August, I don't think there's anything in August. Back to school, but what? That's the times that I get to play around with whatever I want to play around. I miss my leopard print, so I know I'm going to get some leopard print in here somewhere. Yeah, and we'll just go from there. September, y'all name the months, and y'all name some ideas or holidays that's coming up in those months where I can do certain colors or look for certain trinkets to go on my nails. Put a flower there, flower there. There's a candy, a bow. We'll see how long these last. I got them on there pretty good, so anybody that want to come help me get these off, y'all know I take my stones off before I go back to the nail girl. Just because I feel more comfortable taking them off, I take them off. I put them on and load them up like this, so I take them off before I go back to her. So, I'm hoping I can get them off. I may have to drill them off a little bit because I use rhinestone glue to put them on. And I put a thick amount of the rhinestone glue, okay? I put a really thick amount of that rhinestone glue. So I will sit here. Usually I sit the night before. I sit the night before and I take all my stones and stuff off. Anything that I put on that I want to take off, I just have anxiety, so I like to take them off. So yeah. So I'll sit here the night before and take them off. So hopefully I can get them off because they on there, baby. They is on there. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out Madam Glam and all of her stuff down below. And stay tuned to the end of the video to see the way I use the Madam Glam products. Okay. Hey guys, as I stated before, this video is sponsored by Madam Glam Polishes, and we're going to get into what was in our PR box for today. So, first and foremost, we have the UV protection gloves. These retail for $9.95. I will check and see if I have a coupon code. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. It says indulge in the ultimate self-care experience with the UV protection gloves. They are designed to elevate your hand and skincare routine. So I received the black. They're kind of like a silky material. This is what they look like. The material is made from a soft cloth with flexibility to fit the majority of people. They are also lightweight and breathable. Just like Second Skin, you won't feel hot during your manicure. They are also washable and reusable. And the gloves are designed to designed with individually stitched fingers. So you have flexibility to put them on and take them off. I know that I have really long nails. So we're going to try. Oh yeah, very good, you guys. Here we go. Here's the glove. And so when you are putting your hand under the lamp, there you go. So these are the UV protection gloves that you would wear, and they actually cover all of my fingers and leave my nails out to be cured under the lamp. Awesome. I will find out if Madam Glam has any coupon codes, but there will be a link to the website down below. They don't use any vegan or animal ingredients, and they are cruelty free. So these are the UV protection gloves, you guys. And like I said, they retail for approximately $10. And a lot of times they are running a sale. It's Easter time. So definitely check it out if you want to check it out, because I know that they are running their Easter sale. So the next thing that we're going to look at is going to be the polishes. Well, they sent me a professional cutting cuticle clipper by Madam Glam. Very heavy duty. I can feel in the package that this is a heavy duty cuticle clipper. Okay, and I just wanted you guys to know that Madam Glam is more than just polish. That's what I wanted you guys to know. They have all kinds of products to help you get started with your nail business or get started to doing your nails at home. And it says Madam Glam. Very nice quality clippers. These are heavy. These are very heavy. All right, so I have the Madam Glam Soak Off Gel Polish. This is in Under Pressure, and this is actually the holographic color that's right there on the pinky. This holographic color right here, that's what that is. Beautiful, beautiful holographic color. This is what it looks like. And I also have it mixed into the Easter nail. You can see a little sparkle there. Those little sparkles you see there on the sticker nail, that is this holographic polish here by Madam Glam. So if you're interested in this color, once again, it is Under Pressure. And then this one is the Pure Energy Soak Off Polish. And it's also a glitter color. I don't have this one on today, but I'm going to show it to you guys. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What I love about their polish is the thickness of their polish. You don't need much, and their glitters really do show up. And now we're going to get into the last item that was sent to me. I am super excited for the Cuticle Balm. This is the Nourish Me Cuticle Balm with aloe and cucumber. You guys, I'm really excited because a lot of cuticle stuff are cuticle oils. And if you're like me, I work with papers all day. So sometimes to oil my cuticles can really make a little bit of a mess. So I am so happy to find, I smell this already as soon as I opened it. Aloe and cucumber, it smells delicious. Smells delicious. This is a cuticle balm. So that way it's not an oil. If you don't get anything, you need to check out this cuticle balm. It smells delicious, okay? It's all natural ingredients packed full of super nourishing plant oils, which help regenerate your cuticles and the cuticle nail plate. It also has jojoba oil in it. So if it gets on your skin, it's perfect. See, that's a lot less messier than the oil. I love my oils, but sometimes at work, I need to moisturize my cuticles, and I cannot do it with the oils because of paperwork. I have to deal with people's paperwork. So I am loving this shea butter, sweet almond, the candle wax, the candelia wax, sorry, vitamin E, and hemp seed oil. It smells delicious, you guys. It smells delicious. But this is what it looks like. It is the cuticle balm, and look at the difference in my cuticles. This retails for $19.95. I am looking right now if y'all catch it. They're having an Easter sale. It pops up on the screen when you click the link. So you probably can get this for a little bit cheaper, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It smells, my whole room smells good right now. Okay. And I like the fact that I just oiled my cuticles and I don't have to worry about oil running or dripping everywhere. So once again, if you're interested, this is the Nourish Me Cuticle Balm. I'm actually going to take this to work. I want this on my desk at work. Definitely at work. I need this at work. I can use oils at home, and they also have a cuticle oil. If you love cuticle oils, there is a combo with this one where you get the oil and the balm, or you can just order the cuticle oil. So it's definitely up to you, but I'm taking this to work. I might need to get another one so that I can have another backup, but I'm taking this to work because that's the time when I find that I cannot use all of my oils. Okay. Definitely check out their website. They have a VIP club where you can join the VIP club with 1 month free and you get discounts. And then they have a pro club. So you definitely want to check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sponsoring the video. Always a pleasure. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.